Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys. Let's see what is your daily energy and what is your love reading. Okay, guys. Queen of Swords. Six of Cups. Three of Cups. One more card, guys. Okay. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel for few of you all, you're in some kind of confusion today. Some things are not materializing, okay, what you are wishing for. Um, it's not taking the course of action, whatever you're planning for, okay, um, maybe this may be based on your childhood memories, okay, what you're wishing for and hoping for to achieve today. But for some of you all, certain things are falling into place and you're getting few victories today, okay. Some kind of what to say, maybe you were expecting something big, that may not happen, but something small that also brings happiness is taking place, okay. That way you're satisfied, okay, in a what to say, that in a small way you're happy to some extent, okay. That is the energy here. You may be having trouble with in your relationship, maybe with your person or the people who are there with you, okay, immediately around you, your family, maybe your friends who are trying to give you suggestions and counsel. You may be what to say, arguing with them, fighting with them, maybe, okay. Or this may be your person's energy, guys. They may be fighting with you, quarreling with you, or quarreling with the people who are with them, okay, regarding this connection. So that may also be the energy here. You may have huge plans today, but that may not materialize, guys. um, but something good is happening today, but in a small way. That is the energy here, guys. So you need to be patient today, Scorpios. That is the energy here. Something unforeseen is coming, so you need to be calm and collected and not be the cause of any trouble, guys. Not be the cause of any what to say, fights or quarrels. You should avoid such situations, guys. That is the energy here, Scorpios. Let me pick a few cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what is coming up. Scorpios. Scorpios, this person you're in relationship with, maybe this is a karmic cycle, guys. Maybe you're what to say, connected to this person, uh, even in the past life, guys. Maybe this is a karmic connection, and few of you all, just as I said, will be in some kind of heated arguments or discussions, okay, maybe complaining about others, um, or maybe you may be sharing some what to say, getting some counsel from friends or family, okay, learning some valuable lessons in life today. So that may also be the energy here. Or for some of you all, you may be gossiping, or your person, they may be gossiping about you, Scorpios. That may also be the energy here. um, you are doing some kind of activity repeatedly, guys, something excessive. You may be addicted to some kind of activity or your ideas or beliefs, okay, and you are exhibiting that kind of behavior repeatedly. That may be harmful to your relationship, or uh, any kind of relationship, even in your family, that is very harmful. It will affect the people around you, guys. So that is also the energy here, Scorpios. So you have to try for moderation, guys. Just don't go to the extreme in anything, okay, any kind of activity or your actions. You should try to be moderate, okay. That is also the energy here, Scorpios. Your person, they like you, but they may find you a little, what to say, um, uh, you're doing something repeatedly. Like when you're doing something repeatedly, they feel a kind of irritation. So they may be talking about you to others, maybe gossiping about you. That is also the energy here, Scorpios. So you need to um, be aware of your behavior, and maybe this is your energy or this is your person's energy, guys. But this relationship is for long term, guys. They do not want to leave you, but they just have this little what to say, um, a difference in you. They find this difference of opinion, okay. So you, in order to nurture your relationship, you should be what to say, open to good communication, guys. That is also the energy here. You should be able to communicate with your person well. That way this relationship will deepen, and you will have a long term stable and loving, secure relationship. That is also the energy here, okay. Maybe this may be due to your choice, this quarrel and fights and gossiping, or this may be your person's energy, okay. You may feel responsible for the situation, or your person. That is also the energy here, guys. Let me pick out few cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Scorpios, courage, Scorpios. With these cards, I get the energy, guys, like in order to be determined and be with a person of conviction, you should stand firm for your views and ideals, guys. But at the same time, you should not control or ignore the people around you. Okay, when you understand and listen to them, have compassion for others, that is the way to grow, guys, and that will help you a lot emotionally and spiritually. So you need to be firm. At the same time, you should not have disregard for the people around you. You should be compassionate enough to listen to them and take their counsel and views, guys. That is the energy here. And some of you all may be traveling today, okay, maybe for work, maybe to meet someone, maybe to meet your person, and you are healing from within, guys. Happiness comes from within, so you need to understand that and give away all the negative emotions and feelings we have. Okay, so when we are living in the present, just aware of the things happening around us, watching the sunrise or beautiful raindrops, it just brings us happiness, guys. So when you enjoy even the smaller things that are happening, it just makes a big difference in a heart of hearts, okay, emotionally. And we feel so, what to say, satisfied with how things are going in our life, guys. So happiness is from within, guys. It does not matter what things we possess, but it is how we live every day. So you, in order to get that happiness, you should live day to day, guys. That is the energy here, Scorpios. So thanks for watching, guys. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.